Do you love dessert? Do you find that your demanding diet does not allow such indulgences? Try this low-carb, low-sugar recipe for raspberry cheesecake. That's right, make your cake and eat it too. Keto recipes, raspberry cheesecake. Preparation time, 15 minutes. Cook time, 25 minutes. Total time, 40 minutes. This recipe makes 8 servings. Nutrition facts: 478 calories, 48 grams total fat, 22 grams saturated fat, 140 milligrams cholesterol, 271 milligrams sodium, 234 milligrams potassium, 9 grams total carbohydrate, 3 grams dietary fiber, 1 gram sugar, 9 grams protein. What you'll need: 2 to 8 ounces room temperature packages of cream cheese. Cream cheese is high in fat, low carb, low protein, a good source of vitamin A good source of riboflavin, a good source of several antioxidants, may have probiotic effects, and low in lactose. 2 room temperature eggs. Eggs are nutrient-rich, high in quality protein, help raise good cholesterol, heart and brain health, eye protection, naturally filling, feel full longer, one of the best dietary sources of choline, boost nutrient intake. 2/3 cup Swerve, Splenda or your choice of equivalent sweetener works too, plus a bit more to taste if desired. Swerve is calorie-free and does not raise blood sugar. However, may cause digestive upset in some individuals. 2/3 cup almond meal. Almond meal is rich in magnesium, it may be better for blood sugar and is lower in carbs than traditional flour, is gluten-free, may help lower LDL cholesterol and blood pressure, and improves absorption of nutrients in foods containing it. 1 drop of vanilla extract. Vanilla extract can be used to treat intestinal gas and fever, can be used as an aphrodisiac, and some people add it as a sweetener to prevent tooth decay. 1 cup crushed raw pecans. Pecans can lower bad LDL cholesterol in those with normal levels and have components that act as antioxidants. 1 stick of butter plus 1 pat. Butter may have cancer-fighting properties, promotes digestive health, may boost metabolism, high in saturated fat, and high in calories, use in moderation. 1 cup raspberries, but feel free to substitute berries of choice. Raspberries are packed full of nutrients, are low in calories, are a good source of fiber and vitamin C, may reduce the risk of disease, may benefit blood sugar control, may fight cancer, may improve weight loss, may improve arthritis, and may fight the signs of aging. Dash of lemon juice. Lemon promotes hydration by enhancing the taste of water, a great source of vitamin C, supports weight loss through antioxidants, improves skin health, aids digestive processes, improves bad breath from strong odors like garlic, and helps prevent kidney stones. Always begin by washing your hands before handling ingredients, containers, and tools. First, you should preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then melt butter and mix in pecans and almond meal. Optional, add 10 drops of liquid Splenda for added sweetness. Press the mixture evenly into a 9-inch springform pan. In a separate bowl, mix eggs, cream cheese, Swerve, and a drop of vanilla extract until creamy consistency is achieved. Pour this mixture over prepared crust. Next, put a pat of butter in a heated pot over medium heat. Add raspberries, Swerve to taste, and a few drops of lemon juice. Increase the heat and stir until boiling. Chill the berry mixture in the refrigerator for a few minutes, pour onto the batter, and swirl if desired. Place the pan in your preheated oven. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes or until firm. Chill cheesecake overnight in the refrigerator or an hour or 2 in the freezer before serving. Now you are ready to serve your raspberry cheesecake. Like, comment, and subscribe for more content and related videos. Thanks for watching. Enjoy.